Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can delete your watch history from TikTok. So at first open your TikTok, then click on this profile button, then click on this three horizontal line. After that just click on setting and privacy, then little bit scroll it down. You will see a button called Activity Center. Just click on it and then click on the first button called Watch History. As you can see, I watched these videos. So if you want to delete your watch history, then just click on select. Now select those videos you want to delete. I'm selecting this 4 video I want to delete. So I will just click on delete. As you can see, so this is deleted. So if you want to clear all your history, then just click on select, then click on this button, select all. So as you can see, you can click on delete. It will delete all of your history. So thanks for watching.